What's going on? This is a quick video of these grill lights on my 4Runner. These are made by a company called Whelen Engineering here in the States, and they are dual color, so I have another color of white that I can put in there. These are normally for like emergency vehicles, fire trucks, police cars, stuff like that, but I'm trying to think outside of the box of the different applications that you can do for this. So these have built-in flashers in them. Right now they're set to steady burn, so when you apply power, you get the power. However, they are dimmed right now, and that's achieved through this. This is their company called LED Supply. They make these resistors. These almost plug and play. You still have to plug them into your wiring harness. What it does is it takes a positive wire to your light head, and then your light head gets grounded out on the frame. And then from here on this wire, it's hard to see back down in here, but there are two wires. One goes to your running light trigger, and one goes to your turn signal trigger. So when your running lights come on, the module automatically dims down the light heads, and then when you activate the high side on your turn signals, I'll turn the 4-ways on real quick. And then when you activate your turn signals, they come on the high side with your turn signals. These can be achieved with way less expensive light heads than these. These are about $120 to $140 a piece in the configuration that I have. These are only $15 a piece, and I'll post a link in the description below of where I got these at, as well as where I got these at. And they are just mounted up underneath the grill with the included mounting bracket. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message here on YouTube, or if you're watching the video on Facebook, you can send me a message on Facebook, and I can go into more in depth of where the wiring is. On each side, it's tapped into the turn signal, low beam, or the low side of the turn signal, the running light side, and then the high side for the turn signal. Based off of this, both sides are different wiring. They're set up similar, but both sides are different. So the coloring of the wire of which ones I tapped into or which are different between this side and the driver's side. So I just used a multi-tool to tell which one's powered and which one's grounded, to figure out which one went to which, and put the wires on accordingly. But this is just a temporary setup. I have something else that I'm going with these light heads, but I think it achieves what I wanted it to achieve. Again, if you have any questions, put a comment below. If you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on Facebook, send me a message or a comment below, and I will try to answer as best as possible. Thanks.